Aloha everyone and welcome back to the Alpha One982 YouTube family channel. My name is Ale and today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet. So if you wanna learn how to make it, stay tuned because tutorial is right around the corner. So for today's project we're gonna need this neon green paracord 550, total length 4.8 feet or 1.6 meters in the metric measurements, and of course this sky blue paracord also 4.8 feet or 1.6 meters in the metric measurements. Of course we're gonna need these paracord buckles. Complete tutorial for these double cow's hitches, check it into the link in the descriptions or in the cards. And let's start making this awesome paracord bracelet. Now you should choose which color will be the accent one or the leading color, and that color will be the color inside of the bracelet, and the opposite color will be outside of the bracelet or on the bracelet boundaries. Let me show what I mean. I want this neon green to be my main color and the color which will be inside of the bracelet, so I'm gonna start with the neon green and start the simple Solomon knot. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it in the loop or in the gap here between the third and the fourth strand, like this. Let me just zoom a bit. Okay, so the main color or the accent one and through. With this secondary color I'm gonna go and make it on top. So I repeat, this is the basic Solomon knot. Make it on top, in here between the third and the fourth strand, and under the base of the bracelet, as you can see, and through the loop here. Pull it to make it tight and cut off any slack. And we're gonna continue from the opposite side. Make it on top through this gap between first and the second strand, like this, and through to the other end. Now with this one on top, on top and through the first, through the middle. And through the loop here. And now when you reach the end, simply take the paracord needle or a thread and insert it into the space between the cords, so you can clearly insert the strands, and finish it the bracelet. Now with these ends we left, or the excess of a cord, we're gonna simply take him and insert it into those two gaps here. So the blue one will go into the green like this, as you see here, and the green one will go into the blue like this. Now simply take off the bracelet from the jig, and here we are, we finished the bracelet. Now we just left to cut off this excess of a cord here and melt down the ends. So our paracord bracelet is finished. I hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to give a like, thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and that way you're helping us to continue making these paracord tutorials. And you can wear these bracelets from the both sides, either one is nice. So I hope you enjoy it. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.